So what's up? In this video, we're going to be comparing the cameras of the new Google Pixel 4 XL versus the camera on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let's go. Hey there, so what's up everyone? In this channel, I do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to receive notifications on future videos. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's surge.tech. And without further ado, let's get right to the video now. All right, so first off, let's go over the specs on the cameras on both of these devices. So the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus has 3 rear cameras. It has a 12 megapixel wide camera, a 12 megapixel telephoto camera, and a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera. While the Google Pixel 4 XL has 2 rear cameras, a 12.2 megapixel wide camera, and a 16 megapixel telephoto camera. The Note 10 Plus is capable of shooting 4K videos of up to 60 frames per second with its rear cameras, while the Google Pixel 4 and 4 XL is only able to shoot 4K videos of up to 30 frames per second. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus has a single 10 megapixel selfie camera that is capable of shooting 4K videos up to 30 frames per second, while the Google Pixel 4 and 4 XL come with 2 selfie cameras, both 8 megapixel, but they're only capable of shooting 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. Both of these devices have the TOF 3D camera for the 3D virtual features. So both of these devices are capable of shooting night shots, which are pictures taken in very low light settings. Their cameras actually absorb more light to be able to take higher quality pictures during the nighttime. All right, so now let's go ahead and compare some pictures and videos taken on both of these devices. So we got a squirrel here eating some bread, and we're testing both cameras out, the Note 10 Plus and the Google Pixel 4 XL. So here we can kind of compare the color quality on the cameras on both devices, as well as the sharpness of their cameras. They both shoot 4K, although the Note 10 Plus shoots 4K at 60 frames per second, while the Google Pixel is limited to 30 frames per second. So here we are recording with both selfie cameras. A little bit of sun there. So the Note 10 Plus records 4K at 30 frames per second with the selfie camera, but the Google Pixel 4 and 4 XL is limited to 1080p at 30 frames per second. So we might notice a big quality difference here, with most likely the Note 10 Plus having the win over the Google Pixel 4. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think? If you prefer the cameras on the Google Pixel 4 or the cameras on the Note 10 Plus. All right, so there you have it, all the pictures and videos taken on both of these devices. So let me know in the comments down below which phone you think takes better pictures and videos overall. If you prefer the cameras on the Note 10 Plus or the cameras on the new Google Pixel 4 XL. So let me know. Go ahead and give this video a like. It really helps me out. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, peace. Ciao.